Hi, welcome back to my channel. Happy Halloween! I'm excited to share with you these projects that I created. I really want to do some memory decks cards for Halloween, and I have shared a couple of these on Instagram, but I did want to make a trio. So this one is new. You guys haven't seen this one. I did the first one I did with Prima's 31 collection, and this is a tutorial by Nat Armstrong. I will link it below. This is her first tutorial that she did for the Loaded Envelopes Galore and More Facebook group, so this is a swap that I'm participating in, and you can just see I used her basic tutorial. This is a cut file from Lori Whitlock. I will link that in the description box as well. And then I just used some of the cut aparts from the collection. I had created these pumpkins a little earlier, and I had shared those in a previous video. And these are some handmade flowers. This is a puffy sticker from the collection. These both are. This one here is as well. Just another handmade rose. This, I had glittered the entire thing with some gold-ish, really chunky stickles. And then I sprinkled in, I had some gold stars that I just sprinkled in while the stickles were still dry, or wet, I should say. And then the sides are shakers, as you can see. So I created a little shaker mix that complements the 31 collection. I did that on both sides. The bat is a Cricut cut file that I created, as well as some trees that were also in Access. And then I did a little floral cluster at the top with kind of like this tannish Prima, and this is a Prima from a different collection. It's an older autumn collection. I want to say it's Autumn Moon. And then I did some cheesecloth that I dyed with a little bit of black ink, and also this cool spider. This is from Dollar Tree, and it was originally purple, and I just painted it and glittered the whole thing in gold. And then the back is just my card, and I love how this turned out. It's super fun, it's cute, it's girly and pink just like me. I did create this witch's boot. This is using the Hey Pumpkin collection, and even though Hey Pumpkin doesn't have a whole lot of pink in it, I think it is a beautiful complement to the papers. And I've been using a lot of stickles lately, so everything is stickled. This, I do have a digital collection, so this is just some of the ephemera that I cut out using my Cricut. And let me see, there is a rosette in the back that I believe my friend Michelle gave me. This too is a Lori Whitlock cut file. You can see it's got this really fun detail on the side here that laces up. I did a little bat bow for the top, and this is just some fun trim that I had in my stash. I'm getting very, very low on it, and I have not seen it again. It's really old. If anybody knows where I can find some of this trim, please let me know. But super fun, super cute, easy project, believe it or not. It is not hard to kind of size this down and just attach a memory card to the bottom. It's a fun, easy project that came together quite quickly. And then the final MDC that I created is a tombstone one, and I just did this cut file myself. I couldn't really find a 3D cut file that I wanted to use, so I just used a tombstone from Cricut Design Space, and I made a center for it, if that makes any sense. I just cut some tabs on the side so that I could glue it down, and made a little base for it and attached it to a memory decks card. I just really, really like how this turned out. I did some floral clusters using some flowers in my stash, and of course this is the ephemera cut out again. I stickled a lot of it. Some flowers down here, a happy Halloween that I layered a few times along with this adorable bat and skeleton. But I just love how this turned out. I keep calm and eat candy on the back. Just a fun Halloween project. And I will be back. I have one more Halloween project to share using the 31 collection. And I'll see you in the next crafty video. Bye.